Look at Hope. My little one loves the playground so much. Oh, my silly Hope. He always tries to climb from the other side of the slide. It's so funny. Everything was so peaceful until suddenly, oh, my poor Hope is so scared of loud noises. Oh, my little baby, I'm so sorry. Come here, sweet boy. It's okay. The fire truck's just helping. You're safe now. Look at you go, my silly boy. Careful now. Yes, there you go. Look at him swing back and forth. That's so much fun. So, this is Hope's world. More of his adorable moments coming soon.